Hey guys, this is Joe Clark, one of the senior designers. Just wanted to bring you to one of our new projects that's starting down here in Beneva Pines. We've got this whole full remodel that you can see that we're going to be doing. Let us know if you want us to keep this or not. We might try to save it and put it somewhere else in the house. Otherwise, it might be going. All right, so here's another feature of this house. Fireplace, old paneling, looks like it's from the 70s. It is Florida. We're probably not going to keep the fireplace. Let us know what you guys think, but this might be going as well. So guys, this is going to be the new master suite. As you can see here, it's pretty standard. You walk down the hall here, we've got closets on either side. These are definitely going. As cool as these sinks are for when they were put in here, they've got a unique characteristic to them. We are definitely not keeping this. This is totally coming out. Check out this. This is a very interesting bonus room that probably was used as an office at some point, except this is now going to be the master closet. So we're excited to get started on this new project. We still got a little ways waiting on permitting, but stay tuned for what's to come.